channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today is an exciting day. I'm doing a collaboration with Amy's Acrylic Artistry. We are doing a flop cup. We have to do it on a rectangular canvas. I'm using a 22 by 28 Artist Loft canvas here. The colors we have to use the blue, purple, gold, magenta, and then our base. For the base I'm using white. The colors that I'm going to use are Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold, SoHo's Magenta, SoHo's Dioxazine Violet, Decoart's Metallic Ice Blue, Arteza's Pearl Royal Purple, and SoHo's Prussian Blue. And for my base, I am using white house paint mixed with Floetrol, a little bit of water, and some Decoart 100, so we don't get any cracking and all that jazz. I'm going to be using two cups. I'm going to layer up. Just move this over so I can get my paper towels here. Because gosh knows I'm gonna need them because I make a mess. So I'm gonna layer my cups up first with the colors. I don't know if you can see them, but I have them kind of in the order that I'm going to. I don't know if you can still see it or not because this canvas is kind of long. So I'm going to use the Decoart's Ice Blue first. My paints are they're not really super thin. I kind of make a mound and then it kind of disappears. I don't want it to be too thin because I want my colors to stay. And I am doing a little bit thicker layers because I want it to really be more noticeable. I don't want really thin lines, I guess what I want to say. Oops. This purple is so pretty, oh my goodness. I did a trial one on my last video. That turned out beautifully. It was on a smaller, I think it was a 24 by 24 inch canvas that I used. I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of this here. And that wasn't the first time doing a flop cup. Amy does them. She's been doing them quite a bit lately, and so I think they're really cool. I think it's kind of a fun technique, something a little bit different. And so when we decided to do another collaboration together, I said, let's do the flop cup. And well, and at that time she didn't do as many as she's done now, so but she does them amazingly. Like, they're so good, so pretty. Like, I really like them how they kind of, it's almost kind of ish like a flip cup, other than you are tossing your colors where you want it. But still, with the layers in the cup, that doesn't mean you're gonna get it, you know, like a flip cup. You don't layer it up, you flip it, and however it comes out is just a surprise, which is really fun. And I think this will be the last one. All right, so I have 2 cups here. So I'm just going to put some paint down. The last time I did it, it seemed to be when I flopped it around. Oh, I see something I don't want. I kind of got some little white clumps in the colors, which it worked out fine. It was no big deal, but so one spot I had to work a little bit more with because it kind of had a big white spot and I did not like it. Think I got that? Sorry, I know you can't see. I'm just getting the white all down on the corners here and everything and make sure everything's covered. Out here. Gotta grab my torch. Sorry about that, I left it clear on the other side of the table. And I have a little puppy I gotta step over. She's in her same spot. Usually I do it from the other side of the table, but I cut out a piece of the plastic that I can save my drips, so I have that piece drying. So I have a hole over on the other side of the table with no plastic on it. Trying to get some magnets made before my craft festival coming up on June 5th. It's just coming fast. I can't believe it's going to be June already. These months just fly by anymore. It's like you can't even keep up with it. All right. So now, I'm going to do it from the side, so that way I have different colors come rather than one on top of the other. I do want some negative space. So I'm okay with having some white in the middle here. Ooh, it's so pretty. See, I don't like that. I'm not a big fan of these big white spots, so hopefully I can get them out of there. This one I'm gonna probably end up taking off, but alrighty, let's torch it a little bit, just get the air bubbles out. These colors are so pretty. All right. Look at these awesome cells in here. Ooh, so pretty. All right, so I think I'm gonna go this way with it. Look at that. How pretty is that? Get some paper towels here and wipe my hands off. I don't like this big claw up there though. Let's see if I got some. Yeah, this one has some there. Trying to see if I can do a little bit here. I don't like this blob either. Ooh, hopefully I have enough to make it to the edge. Perfect. Not a big fan of this. I don't know if I got any left in this cup. Maybe a little bit here. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I love all these cells. This pretty lacing here. The shimmer of the gold. Ah, so pretty. Oh my goodness. I like the white in there. I wouldn't mind having a little bit more, but I suppose I probably put a little more paint on the canvas than I really needed. I'm just gonna get rid of this here. Maybe. So pretty. Just gonna lightly torch it. It's really fun how some of it is like just pretty bright, vibrant, solid color. And then with this gold, and even through here, like all the lacing and cells, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check out Amy's channel. She posted hers before me. She's in Canada. But please do go check out her channel. Amy's Acrylic Artistry. She's amazing. She does really awesome work. I'm just gonna cut this side off. Look at all those. Ooh, I'm gonna get some pretty magnets out of that. Just look at that. And that's like a rainbow one. Sorry. This pink right here on the floor where she's always at. 1 minute here while I shut these other lights off. Where's the button? There we go. Look at that. Look at all that shimmer. Ooh, it's so pretty. These are kind of funky. What I did to cover up them holes, but look at that. Oh, I love it. All that shimmer from the gold. Get some pretty cool cells over here. That one there looks like a snowman. Maybe he's bleeding. Oh my gosh, it's funny. Look at that. That's gorgeous. These colors are just beautiful. Pretty cells. Pretty lacing. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and if you do art or do these fluid art, definitely, or just whatever, anybody, try it out. It's really fun because you get to just kind of flop the paint wherever you think you want it, and then kind of work it around. You could probably tilt it a lot more if you wanted to, but I wanted to keep my colors really vibrant, and so I didn't want to overstretch anything. So I'm pretty happy with it. Oh, look at that. I wish you could just see really how pretty that is. Sorry about the light from up above. But it just has so much shimmer. But thanks everybody for watching. Please go and check out Amy's channel, Amy's Acrylic Artistry. I will definitely put her link in the description. But I thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and you will like and subscribe and share, all that fun jazz. I appreciate everyone, all of my amazing subscribers, and hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID, and have a good day. Have a good evening, everybody. Sorry about that light. Keep being creative. Bye.